Hello friends, I am Veer sir. Use if unless. Let's study. This is a conditional clause. If, condition if. If not, and use unless. If you do not study hard, you will not get good marks. Unless you study hard, you will not get good marks. This is one kind. Another type is there. If do not is there, use base verb. If does not is there, use verb yes and es. If did not is there, use past verb. For examples, if you do not work hard, you will fail. Unless you work hard, you will fail. If he does not stop smoking, he will be suffering from cancer. Unless he stops smoking, he will be suffering from cancer. If you did not call me, I will go there by bus. Unless you called me, I will go there by bus. What examples are if does not do not is there, use base verb. If does not is there, use base verb yes or es. If past tense is there, did not is there, use past verb. Like this we can study next examples like these. For examples, another examples are there. Next one. If you get best payment, you will be. If you do not attend the class, you will back in the class. Unless you attend the class, you will back in the class. If she doesn't play Kho-Kho, she will become flabby and fat. Unless she plays Kho-Kho, she will become flabby and fat. If you did not adjust properly, you will collapse soon. Unless you adjusted properly, you will collapse soon. What examples are there? If do not is there, you are taking base verb. If does not is there, we are taking yes or es. If past tense is there, you are using past verb. Like this we can do the examples. More examples are there. Another one we are going to study. Next one type is there. And next one, if is there, if positive means not is there, no change will be there. If there is not, no change in main clause. If the main clause is positive, make it negative. If the main clause is negative, make it positive. For examples, if I get good salary, I shall do this job. Unless I get good salary, I shall not do this job. If you are brave, will not fear. Unless you are brave, will fear. If the patient takes regular medicine, she cannot recover from the illness. Unless the patient takes regular medicine, she can recover from the illness. Like these examples we can do. This means positive sentence is there, we are making negative. Positive, negative into positive. Examples. If you get best payment, you will become rich. Unless you get best payment, you will not become rich. If she is strong, she will not afraid. Unless she is strong, she will afraid. If the laborers works very hard, they will get best payment. Unless the laborers works very hard, they will not get best payment. Like these examples we can do the practice. If the negative sentence is there, we are making positive. Okay. Another some examples for your practice. Take a screenshot and do the practice at home. If he was not very ill, he will be at work. Unless he was ill, he will be at work. If she is not working hard, she will be tired. Unless she is working hard, she will be tired. If she was not tired, she will become for walk. Unless she will tired, she will become for walk. Like this, if not, unless is given there, if not we are making unless. For example, unless I get good salary, I shall not do this job. If I get good salary, I shall do this job. Unless the patient takes regular medicine, they can recover from illness. If the patient takes regular medicine, they can recover from illness. Unless the labor makes very hard, they will not get payment. If the laborers works very hard, they will get best payment. Like these examples of if not. On the place of unless we are using if not. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.